Hey guys, it's Katie here, and in this video I want to go over with you guys on different types of pages that you can create using Kartra. So let's go ahead and get started. So once you are logged in into your Kartra account, the first thing that you need to do is go to Pages or My Pages right here. If you don't have Kartra account yet, if you don't know what Kartra is, I will link a few links below this video that you can check out and learn more what Kartra is. In a few words, Kartra is basically a platform that you can use to build your online business with or on. What you can do with Kartra is you can do email marketing, autoresponder, sequences, create and build pages, membership sites. You can host videos, create calendars. For example, if you are doing consulting or consultations or counseling, you can create your own calendar and send people to schedule appointments or calls or whatever on that calendar and manage it through Kartra. You can create your help desks for your clients and customers. You can create full blown campaigns. So by that I mean like a full funnel and email sequence and like the whole campaign that you need to create, or maybe you want to create and sell your products through that campaign, or any other products like affiliate products or whatever you're selling, or consulting or counseling, whatever it is that you're selling. Online, you can create a full campaign. For example, sell something in the front end, then have upsells or just one upsell, downsells, whatever you want to have. And once your customer or client goes through the funnel, they will also be able to get your emails. You can create all of this in one campaign. You can actually sell your campaigns through Kartra too. Let's say you have a campaign that you have created and it's converting amazing for you, and you have team members. You can share with them for free this specific campaign, and they can sell and make money with it as well, for their products and their things that they're selling. Or you can actually sell it. You can post it in the Kartra campaign marketplace and sell it to other Kartra users and Kartra members. So if they see that your campaign is converting great, you can put a price tag on it and sell it through Kartra to Kartra members as well. So you can integrate different things, and the only two things that I have integrated that you would have to integrate in order to process the sales is the merchant accounts like PayPal and Stripe. Those are the two the ones that I have integrated with my Kartra account. And we have affiliate products as well inside of Kartra. So if you go to like my affiliate promos, you'll be able to find affiliate products that you can sell, and promote online. Also, you can do tracking. You can see all analytics of everything, your affiliate products or your own products, your campaigns, your funnels, your pages, like all the tracking analytics you can see within Kartra. So in this specific video, what I will go ahead and share with you is different types of pages you can create. But you can definitely find more trainings on Kartra below this video as well. So go ahead and check that out. If you don't have access to Kartra, go ahead and check it out as well. I do provide huge bonuses for you guys, for those of you guys who do decide to get Kartra through the link below this video. So feel free to learn about the bonuses as well. And you'll find that all below this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go into the pages and the types of pages you can create using Kartra. So in order to create a page, once you're logged in, you go to My Pages and then go to click on the green button on your right hand side, and once you click that, you will have a pop-up here that is basically giving you options on what type of pages you can create. So you can start a page from scratch. Let's say you just want to create your own design, by using the drag and drop that they have here for us. So you'll be able to create it from scratch if you want that. You can also save your own templates in the My Templates area right here. So let's say some pages are converting great for you and you want to save it as a template to use for your other products that you're selling. You can save those as well and use it in the future. Also, we have squeeze pages. So that's like landing pages that you can use. We have a ton of them here. As you can see, there's so many different options that you can choose from and just edit it to match your freebie or product or whatever it is that you are promoting and want to share with people. So this page is going to allow you to get the lead. So whoever is interested in that freebie or product or whatever it is, they will be able to leave their name and email, and you'll be able to build a list again inside of Kartra, within Kartra. Everything that I do online, I use Kartra. So all the forms, list building, email marketing, everything is in there. So it's all going to go into your Kartra account, like the leads and everything that you're collecting. So then we have video sales pages. So there's different types of sales pages that you can use to sell your product, and these are the video sales pages. These specific ones are if you do have a sales video that you wanna put on your sales page, you can definitely use one of these pages and create a sales page by using one of these templates here. So there's thank you pages. Let's say they purchased your product or opted in to get your freebie. These are the thank you pages that you can actually use in order for your clients to and customers to land on and have a thank you page. The next one, we have lawn sales pages. Let's just take a look at one really quick here. So let's choose one of them and preview one of them here. Let's go ahead and choose this one right here and just preview it. So as you can see, this is kind of like what it's going to look like. All you're going to need to do is edit it and put your own, information and your own things on this page. So it's basically, it has a few different sections that you can obviously put your stuff in here and make it look really high converting sales page. So let's go back. If you do decide to use, once you do decide to use one of the pages, all you will have to do is click select right here and use this specific template. So there's also coming soon pages. Let's say you are releasing something, you can create a coming soon page to create to start building your early bird list for something that you are about to launch. These are amazing pages that have proven to convert great, and you can use one of these pages or templates if you are about to launch something and you want to build your early bird list. So product launch pages, we do also have these inside of Kartra. So let's just preview this one right here. These are basically a product launch page. If you have 4 value videos or 3 value videos before you actually present the product, you can use one of these pages and set it up in a way that you want your videos to be open to your viewers or to your potential customers. Product review pages, you can create these type of pages as well. So a page that talks about basically a product, any product that you're promoting, either your own or an affiliate product. Webinar registration pages we have as well. If you do run webinars, these are amazing templates for you to start, to build your list to, for your potential customers to register for your specific webinar. Checkout pages, we do have these as well. for products that you're promoting. You can set up your own custom-made checkout page for 4 pages, like the pages where if someone messes up on the spelling or whatever of your website, this is where they're going to end up. And it depends where you want to take them next. You can definitely hyperlink and tell them to go back to homepage or whatever. So upsell pages we do have as well. These are some amazing upsell pages. If you do have upsells and you want to create a funnel with a few upsells or downsells, these are great pages for you as well. Membership login pages. So if you have a membership that you have set up in Kartra, these would be great membership login pages right here. So live event pages, we do have these as well. If you're running live events, these are some great pages too that you can set up that explains and talks about your live event. Affiliate pages as well. As you know that you can actually be an affiliate within Kartra, sell the products that we have as affiliate products within Kartra by Kartra users, or if you have your own product set up in Kartra, you can have affiliates that are going to be selling your product. So you can set up like a page that invites affiliates to sell your product and just talk about the product, how well it converts, so you have something to give affiliates or to give or to share with people who want to become an affiliate of your product. Legal pages like terms and condition and policy page and disclaimer are all here. You can create them all here as well if you need those. And as you guys know, if you're running ads like on Google and Facebook ads and a lot of different platforms, you do need these pages to be linked on your main page. So then the next one would be blog posts. You can definitely create a blog with Kartra, or you can integrate your Kartra pages with your current WordPress blog that you currently have maybe. So you can definitely create a blog with Kartra or integrate like the pages that you're building here with your WordPress blog. So these are like blog post pages or templates that you can use for your blog posts, as well as blog homes. So let's say you want to create a blog. You can choose any of these templates to create a blog, and then you can use the blog posts templates to do the posts on your blog and add those or link those to your blog home or whatever, wherever you need to link them to. So these are the templates, or just a quick overview of the templates and pages that you are able to create within Kartra if you're a Kartra member. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to go over with this with you guys really quick and just share what exactly what kind of pages you can create with it. So if you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below this video. If you want to learn more about Kartra and what it is, more things that you can do with it, go ahead and check out the link below. And also, if you do decide to join and become a user of Kartra or a member of Kartra, I do provide huge bonuses for you guys. Learn about the bonuses below this video as well. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. And also I wanted to mention actually a couple more things. If you're not subscribed yet, I would love to have you as a part of my tribe here on YouTube. I usually provide videos on internet marketing, different tools and resources that will help you build your online business, and just inspiration, encouragement, and tips and strategies on how to build your online business. And if you haven't checked out my brand new ebook that I have just released, the 7 aspects of building a successful internet business, you will also find the link below to that ebook as well. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.